Yes, I know about that, yo.
I don't think it's that
Guys,
sophisticated.
one perfume. Guys, one
20
perfume.
roses, ladies.
So can I see your eyes?
Yes, you
Take
may.
out. Wow, what a beautiful girl.
Thank you. Thank you.
What a beautiful girl.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Wow. Guys, so no, we are in the aquarium.
Oh, I'm not in aquarium.
No, yes, we are in the aquarium.
You're a fish. I'm not a fish. I'm not fishy.
Are you sure about that?
I do eggplant. I serve eggplant.
I'm done. Come on, chat, use the triple chat. Use the triple.
Tap the screen, ladies. A tap is free.
I like you. Fard, I like you. There, I give you a follow.
Let me follow you as well, fish.
Come on, chat, use the triple chat. Use the triple. Use the triple chat. Use the triple chat. Come on, guys.
Tap the screen, ladies.
Come on, guys. Come on, chat. Come on, guys.
Tap
Triple. Come on, chat. Come on, guys.
Tap is free, ladies. Yeah, I understand her. Tap the screen.
Safari. Where are you from?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm from Russia.
Oh. Yeah, I was living in Russia too.
You should come back.
Yes, because I want to meet you.
You should meet me, girl.
Yeah. Russia
по-русски? Ты понимаешь по-русски? Русский? Нет? Thank you, Tasmanian.
What?
Can I teach
Are
you
you speaking Russian right now?
Да, я говорю по-русски.
Yes.
Окей. Скажи, где подарки, блядь? Say, где подарки, блядь?
Wow. Где подарки?
You're getting there.
Oh, my son. Go on again. Go on again. Go on again. Me rush it. Go on again.
Sorry?
Go on again.
Go again.
Go again.
Где подарки,
Repeat that.
Где подарки, блядь?
Где подарки?
Где
подарки, блядь?
Где means where are the gifts? It means where are the gifts in Russian. Yes. Lovely to meet you. Пока-пока.
I'm going fast though. Flight 9 are not with me. Hi.
Hey, baby.
Baby?
Beautiful.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Rephrase it.
Where you from, baby?
USA.
USA.
Yeah, I'm from New York, but I'm staying at Texas.
I'm Albany, New York.
Huh?
I'm in Albany, New York.
I was staying at Bronx.
Bronx. You have an accent like a Jamaican accent?
Because I was living in Jamaica. I was living in Jamaica.
Yeah, but do you have any idea what's gonna go on with Trump or no?
Trump, I think he's doing good, man.
He's gonna deport everybody that he wasn't from here.
Trump cannot deport anybody. I am Trump. Do you know that I'm Trump's daughter?
Yeah.
Trump is my dad.
Yeah, baby. I'm gonna dance for you. I'm gonna dance for you, and you're gonna be like, "Dang, white boy with a half black skin."
Go ahead and dance.
How do you want me to dance? So wait till. Hold on. Nizat Yona, ah? Barb's for life saying that she's a snitch run.
Barb's, wait a minute, what's your name?
They wanted me to ask you about Jaden.
Yeah, he's my lawyer.
Is your lawyer?
Yes.
Dancing in the flow, dancing in the flow. True that. Yo. What's up, baby?
Don't dance again.
Oh, my bad.
Do not dance again.
Patricia Senten creator. Patricia content creator. No, she's not. She might have green card, but
I have a green card.
Pinky, who's Pinky? She's saying don't listen to them.
Yeah, don't listen to them.
Orifat, mostum leme luċet, Orifat, mostum leme uċet dyrpa vish pak, vish të ikum 400 kujza, mux mir, mas mux ċijanom. Hey, I love you, Fabbi. I love you very much.
Yeah. Wait, what are you doing?
How old are you?
What's your name? Huh?
My name is Benny Giovanni.
Benny. I am Fabbi.
Okay.
Come on, chat. Use the triple chat. Use the triple. Come on, chat. On the shoot, chat. On the shoot. Come on, guys. Come on, guys.
Orifat, I sto vish kalën e arçinon.
Come on, chat. You have 20 nuggets. Chat. Use the triple chat. You have nuggets. Come on, chat. No shoot. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Shoot on chat. Come on, chat. Use the triple chat. Use the triple. Use the triple chat. Use it. Thank you. Come on, chat. Use the triple. God bless.
Come on, my people. Come on. Come on. Come on. Dancing all the time, baby. Come on.
No, that's, you know, to make a go with the do.
No. Hold on.
Well, why you dancing a go on, so? None of them something there.
Somebody from your chat came to me and they said she scams American.
I'm making a dance again, please. No, sir. Them just, they're too explicit. 93K, we need now, guys. Expletive dancing them, they know. And now it's going away. Ben. Ben?
Yeah, baby?
Are you okay?
I am good, but a lot of people of yours coming here to me.
Tell, don't listen to them. Okay?
Oh, I understand. There's haters.
Yeah.
So you live in Jamaica or America?
No, I live in America, baby.
Where are you about right now? What state?
I'm in Texas.
Mm.
Yes.
January 20th, Trump gonna visit you.
Yes. It's no problem.
Trump gonna love you, tell you how much he loves you.
Yes. No problem, baby. No problem with Trump visit me.
Hade bedi kush merja që fjoj se pjatë qiljo në një mam?
No, get them gone, baby.
Come on, man. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on. Dance the party, dance. I want some dark chocolate.
Baby, let's go again.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it for you.
Yeah.
I just want a dark chocolate, that's all.
Guys, thank you so much. So, why is it like that now? Why is it like that? What are you thinking about?
Oh, about you.
Really? For the bombo. Oh, it's a for. Okay. What are you thinking about?
Everybody tells me, please get away from her. She can hurt you. She can't hurt me. I swear to God. Listen to me. She can hurt you, but if she can hurt me, I'll do anything. This is my life, and I know she's over 18. She can't do shit to me. Hey, your haters saying to me that she's gonna trick you to get you in trouble. She ain't doing shit to me. She is black, but I'm blacker. Blacker.
Black them.
Fabis, you want to hear a story? So, in 2009, I had my own escort service. Do you understand that or no?
Yeah, I understand that.
And I went to this area, a bunch of, Tyrone, Jamal, you know what I mean? Jerome. Mm-hmm. I had 5 girls. I was a driver for them. We went to a sea house. You know sea house?
Yeah.
Sea house. Sea.
Yeah.
Okay, so I had $700 with me. The girls I was with, they told me, no, they're going to kill you. You're going to take your money. Just to piss them off, I put them all on the table. So take it, mother. No, baby, I know you guys, I know everything about you guys. You guys far, far, far from getting close to daddy.
Yeah.
I mean.
So don't listen to them, baby. Come on, chat. No, use the triple.
I know they're lying. They're lying.
Come on, chat. They're lying. So, Ben, do you believe them?
No.
Oh. Come on, chat. Triple. Chat, use the triple, chat. Use the triple, chat. Use the triple.